வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் வேரவ பழனிசாமி. நம்ம TNPSC Group-1A, அதாவது அசிஸ்டன்ட் கன்சர்வேட்டர் ஆஃப் ஃபாரஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம் 2017ஆம் ஆண்டு ப்ரிலிமினரியில் கேட்கப்பட்ட கேள்விகளோட ஒரு சீரீஸ் பார்க்குறோம். அந்த சீரீஸோட தொடர்ச்சி இது. சரிங்களா? ஓகே, நேரடி நம்ம கேள்வி போவோம். 127th கொஸ்டின். Who founded the Rajamundry Social Reformer Association in Madras Presidency? A. Tulsiram, B. M. G. Ranade, C. Veerasalingam Pandulu, D. M.N. Joshi. The correct answer is C. Veerasalingam Pandulu. Question number 128. Second Green Revolution strategy was adopted during A. 11th 5-year plan, B. 12th 5-year plan, C. 10th 5-year plan, D. 9th 5-year plan. The correct answer is A. 11th 5-year plan. Question number 129. Tendulkar report, December 2009, says that 37.2% of Indian population lives below the poverty line. That is A. Every 6th Indian lives in poverty, B. Every 5th Indian lives in poverty, C. Every 4th Indian lives in poverty, D. Every 3rd Indian lives in poverty. The correct answer is every 3rd Indian lives in poverty. Question number 130. The tax on import and export is known as A. Income tax, B. Trade tax, C. Custom duty, D. Excise duty. The correct answer is C. Custom duty. Question number 131. Special drawing rule was created by A. IBRD, B. ABD, C. IMF, D. WTO. The correct answer is C. IMF. Question number 132. India signed the Dunkel proposal in A. 1986, B. 1999, C. 1993, D. 1994. The correct answer is D. 1994. Question number 133. Industrial Finance Corporation of India, IFCI, was established in the year A. 1946, B. 1947, C. 1948, D. 1949. The correct answer is C. 1948. Question number 134. Frictional unemployment exists A. when there is a decrease in real GDP, B. because it takes time to find a job when one is first entering labor force, C. as a result of technological change, D. when an employee retires. The correct answer is B. because it takes time to find a job when one is first entering a labor force. Question number 135. Matters not subject to jurisdiction of Human Rights Commission. A. after the expiry of 5 years, B. after the expiry of 3 years, C. after the expiry of 1 year, D. after the expiry of 3 months. The correct answer is C. after the expiry of 1 year. 136th question. Which one of the following formed on the basis of preamble of Indian Constitution adopted on 17th October 1949? A. Objective resolution moved by Jawaharlal Nehru in the Constituent Assembly, B. Swaraj Declaration by Balagangadhar Tilak, C. Gandhiji's Ramarajya, D. Direct Principles of State Policy. The correct answer is A. Objective resolution moved by Jawaharlal Nehru in the Constituent Assembly. 137th question. The objective of Swasakti project is A. socio-economic development of women, training of women, C. financial assistance to old people, D. provide rights to women. The correct answer is A. socio-economic development of women. 138th question. PC Hota Committee is associated with A. civil service recruitment, B. civil services transfer, C. civil services reform, D. privatization of civil services. The correct answer is C. civil service reform. 139th question. Which one of the following statement is correct about the nature of high courts in India? A. Assam High Court has been made a common High Court for Assam, Nagaland, Tripura and Manipur. B. The jurisdiction of High Court is not coterminous with the territory of the state. C. Article 224 defines the meaning of High Court. D. President is empowered to establishment of High Court. The correct answer is A. Assam High Court has been made a common High Court for Assam, Nagaland, Tripura, Manipur, etc. 140th question. The first state in India which introduced its own right to information legislation was A. Rajasthan, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Jammu and Kashmir, D. Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is B. Tamil Nadu. 141st question. Who decides the dispute relating to the election of Vice President? A. The President, B. The Parliament, C. The Supreme Court, D. The Election Commission. The correct answer is C. The Supreme Court. 142nd question. Which article ensures the independence of Indian Election Commission? A. 322, B. 320, C. 324, D. 330. The correct answer is C. 324. 143rd question. Match the following. A. Municipal Corporation of Madras in 1726. B. Municipal Corporation of Bombay 1882. Lord Ripon Resolution 1687. Lord Mayo Resolution 1870. So we'll go to the correct answer directly. The correct answer is C. 3124. Municipal Corporation of Madras 1687. Municipal Corporation of Bombay 1726. Lord Ripon Resolution 1882. Lord Mayo Resolution 1870. C. 144th question. Article 47 associated with A. Raising the level of nutrition and standard of life. B. Raising the level of education. C. Raising the growth of industry. D. Raising the agricultural work. The correct answer is A. Raising the level of nutrition and standard of life. 145th question. Assertion A. Court cannot direct legislature to enact particular kind of law. Reason or legislation is the executive exclusive rights of the legislature. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation to A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation to A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false, R is true. The correct answer is A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 146th question. Which one of the following is exclusively different from others? Article 352, Article 356, Article 360, Article 370. The correct answer is Article 370. 147th question. Mandal Commission was established in India by which government? A. National Front government during VP Singh as PM. B. Congress Party government during Rajiv Gandhi as PM. C. BJP government during Vajpayee as PM. D. Janata Party government during Morarji Desai as PM. The correct answer is D. Janata Party government during Morarji Desai as PM. 148th question. The salaries of judges of Supreme Court was changed upon to A. Conservator Fund of India and not votable. B. Contingency Fund of India and not votable. C. Contingency Fund of India and votable. D. Consolidated Fund of India and votable. The correct answer is A. Consolidated Fund of India and not votable. 149th question. How can we call the following sequence? 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. A. Picon of each sequence. B. Pinocopsy sequence. C. Fibonacci sequence. D. Fibonacci sequence. The correct answer is C. Fibonacci sequence. 150th question. A sum of money increases 5 times its principal at 8% per annum over a certain year. Find the number of years. A. 25, B. 50, C. 75, D. 100. The correct answer is B. 50. 151st question. Let R percentage be the percentage with the rate of interest paid and P the monthly installment paid and N months then maturity amount is dash. A. Pn plus PNR divided by 100. B. Pn plus PNR divided by 100. C. Pn plus 100 divided by PNR. D. Pn plus 100 divided by PNR. The correct answer is B. Pn plus PNR divided by 100. 152nd question. The average marks of 50 students is 40. The mark of a student is wrongly taken as 35 instead of 85. Find out the correct sequence of 50 students by taking the correct marks of the student. A. 38, B. 39, C. 42, D. 41. The correct answer is D. 41. 153rd question. What will be the next term of the sequence? 2, 5, 9, 19, 37. A. 67, B. 76, C. 75, D. 87. The correct answer is C. 75. 154th question. An aeroplane called a ship is called train is called tractor is called bus is called car is called scooter. Which is used to plow a field? A. Train, B. Tractor, C. Bus, D. Car. The correct answer is C. Bus. 155th question. Choose the correct option to complete the alphabet letter series. A, B, C, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, A, B, C. The correct answer A, B, A, B, A, B, C, B, A, C, A, A. A, C, C, A, B, B, A, C, A, A. The correct answer is A, B, A, B, C. 156 question. Radius of a cylinder is increased by 10%, then percentage increase in volume is A. 20%, B. 15%, C. 10%, D. 21%. The correct answer is D. 21%. 157th question. If P x divided by x plus y q equal to y divided by x plus y, then what is the value of 1 by p minus q minus 2q divided by b2 minus q2? A. X plus y, B. 1, C. minus 1, D. X minus y. The correct answer is B. 1. 158th question. Simplify the following. Log 3 root square 5x plus 1 minus half equal to log 3 square root x plus 1. A. 0, B. 1, C. 2, D. 3. The correct answer is B. 1. 159th question. A train takes 18 seconds to pass through a platform 162 meter long and 18 seconds to pass through another platform 120 meter long. Then length of the train is A. 90 meter, B. 100 meter, C. 110 meter, C. 120 meter. The correct answer is A. 90 meter. 160th question. 3 coins each 2 centimeter in diameter are placed together touching one another. Find the area enclosed by them. By equal to 1.738, approximately 3 decimal places. A. 0.161 centimeter square, B. 0.151 centimeter square, C. 0.717 centimeter square, D. 0.181 centimeter square. The correct answer is A. 0.161 centimeter square. 161st question. A man is 114 meter behind a boy. The man runs 21 meter in a minute and the boy runs 15 meter in a minute. In what time they will meet? A. 18 minutes, B. 19 minutes, C. 20 minutes, D. 16 minutes. Correct answer is B. 19 minutes. 162nd question. If P is taller than Q, R is shorter than P, S is taller than T but shorter than Q, then who among them is the tallest? A. P, B. Q, C. S, D. T. The correct answer is A. P. 163rd question. What is the sum of the first 60 terms in the series? 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square plus minus 1830, B 1830, C 7260, D minus 7260. The correct answer is A minus 1830. 164th question. A gardener plans to construct a trapezoidal shape structure in his garden. The longer the side, trapezoidal needs to start the row of 100 bricks. Each row must be decreased by 1 brick, then each end at the construction should stop at 25th row. How many bricks does he need to buy? A 1500, B 1700, C 1900, D 2000. The correct answer is C 1900. 105th question. 5 men and 2 boys working together can do 4 times as much work as a man and boy can do. Then ratio of work capacity of a man and boy are in the ratio of A 5:2, B 1:3, C 2:1, D 2:5. Correct answer is C 2:1. So thank you very much. So we will see the next question, the remaining question in the last episode, and we will take up a new question. Thank you very much.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.